Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Okay, okay,
much.
sir. Okay, sir.
I think now you are able to see the screen, correct?
Yeah, yeah, sir. But I think it is loading still.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah. Now
you
it
are
is
able
okay,
to
sir.
see
Welcome
Homer.
to Homer Pro. Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay, sir. It is visible, sir. No problem.
yeah, yeah. Good morning, all of you. Last class, what we discussed how Homer is used for the designing of microgrid applications. And afternoon session, we discussed DC importance and DC microgrids design importance for a household applications and some office applications. Now, how you will simulate? That means how you will model. Previously, we discussed your system, your simulation consisting of there are three layers. One is simulation, optimization, and uncertainty analysis. There are three stages. All three stages, what we discussed in the previous class, we are going to implement here with the help of Homer software. First, we'll see what and all will be there in Homer software. See, this is the, I think everybody able to see. As I told you in the previous class, Homer is a hybrid energy system based microgrid design software and analysis software. It is used to design a hybrid energy based microgrids. And how many optimizers are available? Last class I discussed. Yesterday morning I discussed how many optimizers are available in Homer. There are two optimizers. One is Homer optimizer. That Homer has optimization algorithm. You don't need to give anything. You have to define your load. You have to define your sources. Then you will get a results. Then after that, you can fine tune that results by applying search space. As I discussed in the previous class, previous session, there is a difference between Homer optimizer and Homer search space. In Homer search space, what you are going to do is you are going to give the limits of the rating of each and every DG. That means, suppose I wanted to use 5 kilowatt. When 5 kilowatt
Sir,
is
sorry
applied,
for the
what will
interruption,
happen
sir.
to my
Your
system?
screen sharing is not visible.
Sir, slides not visible
Yeah, yeah.
only.
It is not visible, sir.
Uh, Now, sir,
No, sir.
first slide is visible.
No, sir. Not yet. We are not able to see the screen sharing completely. At the starting, we have
No, no,
seen the
you will
image
not
of.
see. Yeah, okay.
We are not
Let
able
me
to
share
see
again
anything
then.
on the screen. Yes.
Now you see, sir.
No, sir. It is not visible. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I think it is loading now, sir. Yeah, it is okay, sir.
Sir,
Now we
this
can
is
see.
software. Yeah, this is software. I think because I'm operating same screen. I'm not changing the screen. I'm
But the
using
thing is
same
that
system.
completely it has moved out of that screen sharing. Just now, again, we are seeing now. Now it is okay, sir. Now
Okay,
it is
okay.
okay.
Please inform me if you are not getting. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, sir. No problem.
Now, now slide changed. Now slide changed. We are in a new slide now.
Sir, we are in the load page now. Load page. Name, author, description. We are in that particular page. Consulting services.
Name, author, description.
We are in the page where we can add a load or something else.
Now you see, sir.
Now we are in the same page what we have seen previously, sir. Add a load, add a power source, add a renewable energy source.
No, sir. What I am sharing, you are not getting.
Yeah, yeah. That is what.
Now, sir.
Now also we are in the same previous page, sir.
That means it is not reflecting in your system, sir.
Yes, students, are you seeing the extra page or what
No,
is other
sir.
than this?
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Previous page was only visible, sir.
Yeah. You are seeing the same previous page fine where it is displaying as add a load, add a power source, add a renewable energy source. Yes or not?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you see, sir. I'm able to. Sir, that you leave it. You will have left side that will be there. There is one more. Homer Pro is the current industry standard for rapid assessment. That you are able to see.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, we are not able to see that.
This you are able to see. Add a load, add a power source and all.
Yeah.
When I press
Yes,
take a tour, you are unable to see.
Yes,
Correct?
yes, sir.
But I have taken
Yes, sir.
I have taken like, but you are unable to see. This means what is to be done now. This is not reflecting on your system. Okay. But I have taken same software, sir, for other students through online only, sir. They are able to see.
But here we are not able to see.
Yeah, if I show take a tour, it is easy for them. No issues. Okay, I'll start the simulation. No problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, whatever changes I'm doing, you are able to see or not? You check. Tell me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You are able to see the loads.
No, sir.
No, na. Same screen it is there. Please check once.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hello. You are able to see, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means that means there is a delay. That means there is a delay between the data transfer. Okay. Okay. Let us start. Whatever it is. If you are not getting any input from me, and you just tell me, I will change it. Okay. When you look at Homer software is used for the designing of microgrids, correct?
Yes,
First,
sir.
when you please unmute yourself, some traffic noise is coming.
Yes, please mute yourself. Who are the person? If there is any chance, you can unmute yourself. Up to that point of time, please mute yourself, or else I will make you to mute. Yeah.
See, you have different loads, as I told you in previous class. Electrical load 1. In this electrical load 1, you have different loads such as residential loads, commercial loads, industry loads, community loads, and blank load. Please, all of you go to loads, then select any electrical load, click on load profile, choose one of the load option will be there. Click on that. You will be having different loads such as residential loads, commercial loads, industrial loads, community loads, and blank loads. I hope all of you are able to get this. I hope all of you are able to get this. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
All of you able to get at least one you people should respond me. Okay, one should be continuously respond. You have to respond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who will respond? You are going to respond, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because whether you are doing or not, what is happening, I should know. Now, otherwise my screen is sharing or not, I should know that. You are able to see residential load, commercial load, industrial load, community load, blank load.
Sir, we are not able to see that page
No,
again.
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
add a load, add a power source, add a renewable energy source, you are able to see, correct?
yes.
In that only right side, in that same menu, right side load is there.
It's a right side, the load is there. We are seeing only the displaying contents like electric 1, electric 2, deferrable, thermal 1, thermal 2, hydrogen.
Down. Electric
Down
load
we are
setup
not
you are
seeing
able.
anything, sir. We are going to see only the design page, name, author, description.
Okay, that means load is not, whatever the changes I am doing, the changes are not reflecting on
They
your
are not
system.
reflecting on the screen. Yes, sir.
Okay, then what to do, sir? I think there is problem with I don't know. I took Cisco WebEx last time.
Okay.
3 days back I took NIT Trichy only Cisco WebEx. Whatever changes I am doing, and they are able to see and they are able to do it.
Sir, can you move
Because
out of
I
the
mean,
screen?
move out of the screen means, see, same menu I have to use for different configurations, sir.
Yeah.
You are able to see only, I am looking at add a power source, that is my left side, it is there. Right side I am defining my load.
Okay. But we are not able to see that, sir. Sir, move out of screen sharing once. Again, you start sharing the screen one more time, sir.
సార్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్
Okay, sir.
పెట్టేది చూడ చెక్ చేయమన్నప్పుడు మల్లికార్జున్ సార్ చాట్
Sir,
బాక్స్
once, you can go through the chart box, sir. You can see the image of that what we are going to see on the screen. ఒకసారి చాట్ బాక్స్ లో చూడండి సార్, మాకు అది మాత్రమే
Yes, yes,
కనిపిస్తుంది
yes.
అంతే.
చూస్తున్నాను sir. Sir, now you are able to see.
Now we are in the starting page, sir. Welcome to Homer Pro.
Yes, next, whatever change I am doing, you are able to see.
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఆఫ్ సార్
Screen share off.
యు ఆర్ నాట్ విజిబుల్ ఎనీ స్క్రీన్
Now just see.
యా సార్ yes user interface
Sir, now we can see the components page.
Components page. Okay, let me
Okay.
change the slide.
Yeah.
Let me change. Then you are able to see or not. Now, sir.
again it's off sir screen is off sir better to share the desktop sir instead of
I'm sharing desktop, sir. Desktop only I'm sharing.
oh.
I'm sharing desktop only. Now you are able to see components page, sir.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I will change whether it is reflecting or not. We'll see.
Again off, sir. Yeah, yeah. Homer Pro Industry Standards.
Yeah. Next, I'll take one more. See here, sir. What I'm doing,
Sir,
you
we are seeing step 0.
Step 0.
0. I'm not changing any. I'm not doing any changes. I'll just move to step 1. If you are able to see, okay, then there is no problem. Now
Yeah.
we are able to see
step 1. Yes, sir.
Then what was the problem? Same thing I was doing previously, sir.
Sir, now you move to step 2 once, sir.
Yes, step 2.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
it is okay. Now it is
Yeah.
visible, sir.
Yes. Same thing I was doing previously also.
There might be some problems. Sir. Now
That's
it is
what
okay,
there
sir.
is
Now
some
we are visiting step 0.
Yeah. Whatever the change I'm doing in same slide, whether it is
Yes.
changing or not, I'm just checking.
I think it got stuck in the previous time. Now it is okay, sir. We are seeing step 0 now.
Yeah, we'll continue. That's what I was saying. Same thing. Why it is not reflecting, I'm thinking. Because one day what we have to do without him if it is not reflecting.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Because hands-on we cannot do anything.
Fine, sir. Okay.
That's what I discussed. You have two options, Homer optimization. Homer optimization, what is going to happen? Homer is going to select the components, right? And how to select Homer optimizer algorithm and how to go for Homer search space will do. First, generally, what we will do is for getting the better results and for understanding the system, we will design with Homer optimizer algorithm. Then we'll think about Homer search space. From Homer optimizer algorithm, we will get some idea what size we have to select, what is the rating of the digits we have to select, what is the optimum sizing and all. We'll get some idea. Depends upon that, we can go for search space and we can select, we can fine tune the results according to our requirement and according to the optimum system conditions. Next thing, one more thing I discussed in the thing is there are 3 stages I discussed: simulation, optimization, and sensitivity analysis. In the simulation level, what you are going to do, you are going to model the system. In optimization level, algorithm will perform the operations, then you will get the optimum results. Then if you wanted to analyze any uncertainty parameters, then sensitivity analysis comes into picture. That's what we discussed. Next, what is there in Homer? Just we'll see. You are all in front of systems. When you look at these components, all the components will be there. Yesterday somebody was telling nuclear power plant. Nuclear is not there here. We have diesel generator, biomass generation, photovoltaic system, solar PV systems, wind turbine, battery storage. You can use converters to convert AC to DC, DC to AC, however you want. And then after that, we have fuel cells, and our system can be connected to grid. Our system can be operated without grid. There is a grid connection also. And also, when you are talking about load conditions, here you can take 2 types of loads. You can run electrical, you can design for electrical loads also, you can design for thermal loads also. That means your house or industry may have some thermal loads. You can design the system for thermal load applications, and similarly you can design the systems for electrical load applications. Now, I was telling yesterday, location is also very important here. Here, this is the step we have to give location here. I will show you when I'm doing the simulation. Project title, whatever the project you wanted to save, you can save. And location, that means suppose St. Peter's Engineering College location. Automatically you will get latitude and longitude of that particular location. If you wanted to design your system for that particular location, if you wanted to check resources for that particular location, you can check. We have that access, and we can import.
Sir, sorry for the interruption. Again, we are able to see only step 0.
This is now that means slides are not changing.
Yeah.
I think this is not the problem due to my system or your system. This is problem due to transmission, I think.
Yes, sir. It might be.
because you are able to within 4 5 minutes back you are able to see change in the slides, but now you are unable to see. I am in same menu. I think it may take some time. Let us wait for that. I think.
Okay, okay, done, sir. No problem.
Because sometimes because maybe internet problem or something, um, screen will come little later. Whatever changes I'm doing, you are unable to see.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Sir, instead of Homer software, can you try PPT once? Yesterday's PPT, then we can know it is a problem with the PPT.
Sir, actually yesterday PPT I explained the simulation procedure, simulation steps I didn't tell you. Okay.
We will see how the is changing or not PPT with respect to PPT, not with
PPT
software.
obvious. I think PPT will change. I think.
Oh, okay.
Wait. Because software is little.
As it
This
is
is,
a real-time analysis software, it is. I think it is taking some time for transmitting the signal.
Okay.
Yeah. I think PPT there won't be any problem. I think. Let me check that also. Yes, sir. I'm sharing PPT now. You are able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me change the slides. Change is taking place.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Objective.
Yeah. Then what is that is a problem with that internet speed, I think.
Yeah. Yes, sir, it's working.
Internet speed and software interaction.
Mm.
Okay. Let us see, sir. We'll see once, and then
Okay.
what we'll think about that once. Now you are able to see the screen.
Yes, sir. Take tour.
Okay. Now,
No changes, sir.
sir, Cisco WebEx same workshop I did 4 days, 5 days back exactly in NIT. Whatever changes are happening, they're fine. But why today? And also today also it 4 minutes back it was fine, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Load why it is not changing? Because internet problem or what? Now, sir, you just finally once you check, we'll see what is to be done. Hello.
Sir. Tell me, sir.
Now it's fine.
No, sir. Not. There is no screen sharing.
There is no screen sharing. Now check, sir.
Uh, It's coming, sir. Wait, sir.
Yeah, I will change. Then if it is coming, we are fine. Otherwise, we need to think. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll change. Now changed. Whether you are able to see component screen.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
That's what, sir. There is some delay. Okay, we have components. Already we discussed this. Next, step 2, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Then we'll finish up. Okay, this is what I discussed just now. We have a option to give location. That's what I discussed. And according to that location, latitude and longitude, we can import data. We can import data from NASA or NREL. That data is used as a input for your system, whether it is solar or whether it is wind or whatever it is. That resource is input. According to that resource, your yields, energy output will be generated. Output will be changed. That means first what you are going to do in Homer, you are going to look at all the components. Depends upon the location, which one is suitable. That way, sometimes solar is suitable, sometimes wind is suitable, sometimes other sources are suitable. Depends upon that, you are going to select that. Then after that, first of all, your load estimation is important. What is the load of your particular college or particular community or particularly your home? For that particular load, you are going to design a system. Depends upon the location and depends upon the resources available in that location. All these analysis you are going to do. Then after that, then step 3, sir.
No, sir. Still step 2.
Yeah, let us wait, sir. It may come, I think.
Okay, sir. No, okay, sir.
Yeah, it may come. Yeah. Then we have a load definition here. See, Homer has an option to define your own loads. That's what yesterday I was telling you people. To estimate available in your home, what is the load available, how the load is changing. Load nothing but a load curve. Within a 24 hours, how the load is changing in your home or in your community or in an industry or in your college, like that. To meet that load requirement, we need to select particular DGs, then optimization comes later. Homer has already predefined loads such as residential. You can see here residential loads, commercial loads, and community loads and industry loads. And when I was talking initially, I was telling blank load. Blank load means you will have load menu, and depends upon your analysis, depends upon your inputs, you can define your own load. That is also possible. Next, step 4.
Not it, sir.
Yeah, once you design system, I'm not changing, sir. I'll keep it in step 4 only. Once you design system,
Step 4 is not came, sir. Step 3 is there.
Yeah, it will come, I think. Okay, once you design the system, that system must be connected through grid, or you wanted to operate in autonomous mode of operation. Sometimes there are 2 ways of doing. You can go for net metering concept. That means when your power is not available, when generated power is not sufficient in your microgrid, you can import from the grid, or if excessive power is generated in your system, that can be exported to the grid. You may fix the energy exported to the grid can be considered as some dollars or some rupees. The energy imported from the grid is considered as some dollars or some rupees. You can set that in the Homer software. When you set that in the Homer software, each month the analysis takes place. Each month the analysis takes place means how much amount of energy sent to the grid, how much amount of energy received from the grid. Generally, the energy received from the grid is treated with less cost. The energy sold, that means when the energy sent to the grid is taken as higher cost as per your standards. Suppose when you are performing a simulations, energy received per kilowatt hour, how much? Suppose $0.15 or $0.1 you are fixing. That is your choice. You can fix according to your conditions. Every state has different cost. Every state is following different tariffs. Then energy received from the grid can be 0.15 because energy like that. According to that, you can fix. Step 4 still not yet come, sir.
No, sir, no. Still step 3 only.
Still you are in step 3 only.
Yes, sir.
That means this tour is not reflecting on. Then it is not reflecting whatever changes, whatever changes I will, whatever the changes I'm doing.
Yo.
Sir, suppose I'll go to software. Still, I am not entering software. I'm just taking components. Software. I will take load and I'll start entering the data.
Okay.
Then that should reflect, correct?
Yes, sir.
What we will do, sir?
Mallikarjun, sir.
Sir, move to step 2 once, sir. Step 2.
Mallikarjun, sir.
Okay.
Sir, move to step 2 once.
I'm in step 2, sir.
Okay, so the screen is not reflecting, sir. You can go through the analysis part directly. Why? Because the screen sharing is not reflecting completely. I think it may take some time to reflect on the screen.
Yeah, because here Homer is a licensed version. It is there in the system. That is not reflecting on your system because this is because of internet and MS Teams, not because of
sir,
this.
I think the internet, whatever we are using, is not supporting that. I think
not supporting. There is some transmission delay.
Yeah.
Transmission delay.
There is a time delay for transmission of that particular signal.
Okay, sir. One thing, Mallikarjun sir.
Sir,
you are telling me to start analysis. I can start analysis. But whatever changes I am doing here, you people should be able to see. That's what my objective.
Okay.
Simply, that means if whatever I am telling, if you are unable to see, and also students are 95 to 100 students are there.
Yeah.
What I am talking is different. What they are doing, it is different. But continuously, I will explain slowly. If they can simulate and they can see, that is better. I think every half an hour we'll take some break, and I will discuss with students.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That is better. Okay, that is better. Whether it is reflecting, please go ahead with the thing. See, I'm defining my system now. I think you are able to see this screen. I think.
No, sir.
Present screen you are.
We are not seeing any screen sharing.
Now, sir.
Yeah, sir. It's coming. Yeah.
Sir, some project I'm just doing, sir. NITT. Like this. Some other, you can give whatever you want. Then how to fix latitude and longitude I'm doing now. That means when you give name and author, right side you will be having a map, global map, correct? In that,
yes, sir.
you can give your location. That means whatever. That's what you people no need to give one particular location. Where you are in Hyderabad, you give your location. You are in somewhere, you give that location. We'll simulate for that particular location only. See, I'm typing just NIT Tiruchi.
No, sir, not reflecting.
No, it will not reflect, sir. You start typing, okay? You're able to see that map, correct? You have software, correct?
Name and author empty, sir. Did you write anything on name and author, sir?
I wrote, sir. I wrote, but
No.
that is not reflecting. You write in your system. You have software. You are installed in your laptop, correct?
Okay. Wait, sir.
Yeah. Please write.
Yes, yes, students, please follow the instructions. As there is some problem with that, we will go after taking a break. We will clarify with that issue. So up to that point of time, please go through the instructions what is given by the sir, and you can type the name of the author and everything in the 3L version, whatever you have downloaded.
Please understand, dear students, what I am doing, I am explaining here. I think you are in front of Homer menu, Homer software. You are able to see that every 15 minutes I will ask whatever the step I have done, because 95 students are there. If you are unable to do, immediately you tell me where you struck and how it will come. I will explain. Okay. I'm saying all of you able to give name, author, and the location. Right side you will have a global map. You can give the location and location search option is there. Press on that location search option. Press on that location search option. Immediately whatever the location you are giving, you are able to find. You are able to find. It may be Hyderabad or whatever it is. Whatever it is. Whatever it is. And all of you able to find your location, whatever you defined. Hello? Hello? Then,
Yes,
if you are
students,
able to find,
are you
like
able to hear sir or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
వినిపిస్తుంది సార్.
Please respond, man. Please respond. That is important. Please be interactive in the session.
you are able to find your location.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then after that, right side corner, you will have resources. One option is there, blue color option, resources. 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 Right side corner, there is a resources option. After giving your location, whatever location you are giving, then click on resources. In that resources, you will have solar. First option. Second option, temperature. After clicking the resources, right side, your global map right side, you will have resources option. See that. In that you will have option to give solar, temperature, wind. Solar irradiation option is available in two types. One is National Renewable Energy Lab or NASA Surface Meteorological and Solar Energy. You can use any one database from this. Solar irradiation is available from two places, two databases. You can select which database you want. There is no problem. Whatever you want, you can select. Not an issue. There is no much difference. I analyzed both the datas. Suppose I wanted to take NASA. Select second option. Temperature is also from NASA. Temperature is having only one option. And wind is also from NASA. Then download. Click on download. You are able to download the resource for your resources were downloaded successfully. Resources were downloaded successfully. Click on OK. Then you wanted to see the resources for your particular area. Then go to resources option available on the top of the menu. That means you have a load, you have a components. After that component, there are resources option. Click on that resources option. Then you will have a irradiations. How to take irradiation level for this particular for your particular system. Solar GHI. Click on solar GHI. Double click on that. When you double click on that, you are able to see solar irradiation variation per month. Solar irradiation variation per month. Okay, and clearance index. Similarly, you wanted to see for your particular location, whatever the location you have given. Similarly, you wanted to see temperature. Temperature also you will get a one graph. And wind also you will get a one graph. This is written from NASA data. Okay. I hope this step everybody understood.
Oh, yes, sir.
What about others? 95 students are there. What about they understood or they're able to execute this? See what I am telling. Location selection. Select your particular location. Import data from NASA. That's what. Everybody able to do that?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine? Yes. Okay. At least you be telling what is happening. You are able to do it. Others are not responding. Then you have add load option, correct? Click on add load option. Click on add load option. Add load option is available left side. Required changes menu. Add load option. The first one is add load option. When you click on that, you will get electric load setup. You will get electric load setup. In that electric load setup, you will have different loads. You have peak month, January, July, like that it is there. When you come to down, you have profile. In that profile, there are different loads. When you click on that, you will have residential load, commercial load, industrial load, community load, and bank load. Commercial load, industrial load, and bank load. When you keep on changing your load, residential load characteristics is different, and commercial load characteristics is different, and industrial load characteristics is different. That change you can see there. Suppose for the simulation purpose, no need to. Suppose you wanted to enter your own load details, then you click on blank. Suppose if you wanted to enter, you have your own load. That load you wanted to define, click on blank. Otherwise, select whatever the loads you have. Just we'll see the example now. Suppose I wanted to design my system for some commercial application or community application. Click on community. Characteristics of community load is presented here. Click OK. Automatically, your load is connected to AC bus. Your load is connected to AC bus. That you can see left side of your menu. Left side of your menu. Your load is connected to your AC bus. Clear load definition?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I will talk about load only for some time. Whatever the changes, what you wanted to do, you can do here. See, sometimes your load may not be constant. Your load may not be constant. Your load may be changing with respect to time. But whether to assume the load is constant for entire year or my load is changing for 3 months, because when you look at the load profile of any community or any house or anything, the load in summer is different, winter is different, rainy season is different. Suppose you wanted to concentrate, you wanted to respond for the load requirement. When January load profile is the electric load, down you have lot of columns and rows. In that columns and rows, hour is there, load is there. Each hour, how the load is changing. I consider as a community load, how the load is changing with respect to the time is represented here. You might have got same thing here. Suppose you wanted to assume this load is constant for entire year, you can assume Otherwise, what you can do, you can click on show all the months. Show all the months option is there. Please look at that. Show all months. When you click on that, you are able to see some Excel kind of stuff, Excel sheet kind of stuff. This is not exactly Excel sheet, but you are able to see that kind of sheet, that kind of format. When you are able to see this, what you can do is you can enter your load variation each and every month. Total 12 months is represented here. Each and every month, each and every hour, how your load is changing. That change in load you can find, you can enter the values here if you have that values. This is the load definition. When your load is changing, that load also, because load, for that particular load, we have to design our, that's what I'm talking about, the system. Next thing is, simply load is connect, we need to run it. We have add power sources option. Required changes, we have add power source option. In that add power source option, different components here. You have different components. Suppose I will add, when you click on add power sources, you might have got auto size generator set. That means I wanted to run my system by using diesel generator. And also, I don't want to give any rating of my diesel generator. I say that automatically adjust according to the load requirement. That is also, because initially I'm starting. Basics we'll see. After that, we'll think about the system definition. Add generator. And when you add generator, this generator is automatically connected to your system. Everybody to do this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You're able to add generator?
Yes, sir.
Now, simulate. That is also, I'll just simulate this. Calculate. When you come to right side, there is option, suggestion is given, add a renewable energy sources. But let us see, we will add later renewable energy sources. Right side, calculate option is there in the calculator symbol. There is a calculator symbol and there is a calculate option. Click on that. Click on that. Your simulation started running. You got some results, correct? You got some results, correct?
No, sir. Please explain this step again.
Okay. You are able to connect your generator?
Yes, I have added one generator.
Okay. Then you come to right side. After
Yes,
thermal load control, there is a calculator option. Calculate. Calculate.
I have
Your
an option
map-
like add converter.
Converter.
Yes, sir.
See, when Homer closing button is there, correct? X button.
Yes, sir.
Down,
Yes.
down. Calculate. Click on that. Click on that. Click on that.
The model has some errors and can't be stimulated.
Can't be simulated. That means you might have done some errors. What is the
Yes.
suggestions you are getting?
No suggestions, sir.
No suggestions. What components you took actually?
One residential load
Ah,
and one generator, sir.
diesel generator you took.
No, sir. Fuel cell.
No. You don't take fuel cell right now. That is later stage. That is after learning everything. You take generator.
Yes, sir.
Fuel cell, there are many inputs you have to give. Each source has different characteristics here. Okay. Just take fuel cell and connect. It won't work.
Now I can calculate, sir. Wait.
You remove fuel cell and connect. Whatever I'm telling you, please listen. I'll go
Yes.
step by step. Then I'll tell you the system. Okay.
Now I obtained the simulation, sir.
Why you are not getting when you connect fuel cell? Tell me. Your fuel is defined.
No, sir.
Fuel cell, how it will work?
Yes.
All
it
those
works.
things we need to give correct. You took solar and that and all, and you connected fuel cell. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your input is not given there. Okay. Then when you calculate, what results you got? Some results you got, correct?
Yes, sir.
Some your complete system is running with diesel generator. NPC value you got correct. Net present cost table. You click on table. You have options. When you calculate, you have options. When you calculate, you have options. Summary, table, and graphs. Summary, table, and graphs. Summary, table, and graphs.
Yes, sir.
Click on table. When you click
Yes,
on
sir.
table, you are able to see the first case.
Yes, sir.
Yes, click on table. When you click on table, double click on that. Again, that row, you double click on that. When you double click on that, you have different options, correct?
Yes,
Electrical,
sir.
yeah. Electrical, you click. Electrical, you click. Electrical. Cost summary, cash flow, compare economic,
Yes, sir.
electrical.
Yes, sir.
Click on electrical. When you click on electrical, monthly electrical energy produced by your diesel generator is
Given,
explained
sir.
here.
Yes,
Given
sir.
green color, you might have got in green color, January, February, March, April, and how it is changing.
Yes, sir.
And AC primary load estimate as, see, you have three. Yesterday I was explaining this. Production
Yes,
is
sir.
69,456. Production is how much? Consumption is how much? And quantity of excess electricity. How much excess electricity you got? How much excess electricity you got?
17,791 kilowatt hours per day.
Percentage.
81.2%.
81 point.
Yes, sir.
Which generator you selected?
10
Auto generator you
kilowatt.
selected, or some other? That you are not selected, and whatever it is, you got how to start the system, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I wanted to talk to other students. Please, you wait for some time. What about you people? You people able to do up to this?
Yes, sir.
I think all of you closed your homework and just keeping, just sitting like that, or what? Tell me,